Hi friends, it's Mia here. Welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today we're drawing colorful number eggs on the farm. In this video, it's all about colors and numbers. Grab your crayons and paper, let's draw together. Are you ready? Let's go! And if you love drawing and smart stories, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Let me tell you about a busy morning on the farm. The sun pops up, the rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo, and the eggs are ready to learn. Numbers help us count how many eggs are in the basket. Colors help us sort them into groups. That means numbers tell us how many and colors tell us which one. Easy and fun. Try this with me. Count, count, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yippee! Now a color cheer. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Rainbow Crew. When we count and when we name colors, our brains get stronger and smarter. On a farm, counting helps the farmer know if any egg is safe. And colors can make cool patterns, like color, color, number, number, pattern, power. Here's a mini story. Close your eyes and imagine this. On Farmer Melly's farm, the eggs hear music from the barn. Guess what happens when the goat starts strumming a silly banjo? The eggs bounce in rhythm. Boing, boing, boing. The first egg shouts, "I'm number 1." The second calls, "I'm number 2." You won't believe what happens when the shy egg gets to number 5. It hums a tiny tune and the baby chicks dance a wiggly wiggle. What do you think happened next? Did the tractor start beatboxing or did the ducks quack the numbers? Quack 2, quack 3. If you think that's excellent, give this video a big like. Okay, color and number fans, time for some awesome facts. But that's not all. I've got a secret ending, so keep drawing and coloring with me. The final picture will make you say, wow. Fun Farm Fact 1. Most chicken eggs take about 21 days to hatch. That's 3 whole weeks. Tick-tock, chick-a-clock. Fun Farm Fact 2. A hen can lay about 1 egg a day. Not every single day, but almost. That's a lot of omelets for the farmer, not us. Fun Farm Fact 3. The shell color can change from farm to farm. Some breeds lay white eggs, some lay brown, and some even lay blue or green. The inside is still yummy and the same kind of an egg. Fun Farm Fact 4. Eggs are shaped so they don't roll away easily. On a bumpy floor, they tend to roll in a circle, handy for a nest. Number nugget. Even numbers make perfect pairs. Clap and pair with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. If you can share them into 2s, that number is even. Odd numbers have a lonely one left out. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. One buddy gets the extra high five. Color secret. There are 7 colors in a rainbow. Say them with me. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. A rainbow is like nature's big, bright smile. Mix it magic. Some colors mix to make brand new colors. Red plus yellow makes orange. Yellow plus blue makes green. Red plus blue makes purple. Color mixing is like friendly teamwork. 2 helpers making a new superstar. Bee fact bonus. Did you know bees can see colors we can't, like ultraviolet? To bees, some flowers look like glowing signs that say, pollen here. Nature is clever. Counting trick. When you count to 10, you're using base 10. That's how we group numbers. 10 ones make a 10. Let's try a quick chant. 1s to 10s, we count again. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 10. Farm friend fact. Roosters do not lay eggs, only hens do. The rooster's job is to protect and say, good morning, very, very loudly. Sing with me while you color. Count those beats and tap your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, here it goes. Colors bright and numbers strong. We can learn all day long. Keep going, artists, because our farm of number eggs is almost ready to shine. But wait, last secret of the day. 0 is a number 2. 0 means none. If the basket has 0 eggs, it's empty. 0 looks like a big round O. It's the hero of nothing. Take a deep breath and smile. You worked so hard, and I can tell your art looks amazing. Keep drawing those lines and filling in those spaces. Your final farm of colorful number eggs is a total showstopper.
Let's draw and learn. Let's draw and learn. Let's draw and learn. Da 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 da. Let's draw and
You did amazing! Today we drew colorful number eggs on the farm and learned how numbers tell how many, colors help us sort and make patterns, and cool facts. And if you love smart stories and art, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video on Let's Draw and Learn. See you next time, friends! Bye!